Daniel Padilla. Along with his new achievements, new issues are also sprouting. Is he really pursuing something with Julia Barreto? And what about Catherine Bernardo? Daniel adds another achievement to his belt as he gets nominated for the World's Best Male Artist Award at the World Music Awards, an award presented on sales merit and voted by the public on the internet. Along with Daniel, other OPM artists have also been nominated, including Sara Geronimo, Jed Madela, and Christian Bautista. They are up against big international recording artists such as Justin Bieber, Psy, and Elton John.
Artist? Hindi man ako mananalo. Astig lang.
Yung saya kasi yung mga ka-level niya, kita man din sa Justin Bieber.
With his continued rise to fame are constant intrigues surrounding his every move. One incident that made it to headlines was Daniel's recent mall show, where he was rumored to have stayed inside the dressing room and refused to meet some of his fans. Daniel clears the issue.
Pasensya tao lang po ako, ha? Yung mga taong gumagano sa akin, siguro, ewan ko lang kung close-minded sila. Basta hanggat makakaya ko, gusto ko entertain natin ta.
Another big intrigue that made all Kathniel fans worried for some weeks now was Daniel's alleged said visit to Julia Barreto on the actress's new soap, Mirabella. When asked about the issue, Daniel said,
Huwag na natin gawin malalaking issue dahil hindi naman kailangan.
Cinema News caught up with Julia, and here she addressed the rumors involving Daniel Padilla.
Hindi po totoo yun kasi wala po akong taping nung taping day ng Mirabella, parang second unit siguro. Tapos, yung binisita niya doon, yung EP na si Ate Marisa, so yun po, wala po ako doon. There's nothing to worry about. I'm a Kathniel fan. I've met him. Gano'n naman talaga sa show business, diba? Madaming guys na malilink sa akin. Pero, diba, hindi naman kailangan gawan pa ng issue yun. Kasi talagang work is work.
When asked if she's willing to work with Daniel despite the intrigues and the Kathniel fans, Julia says,
I'm open working with anyone.